Welcome to week number 4 of our intermediate waltz class, and today we did a little Ari special, which I borrowed from a Latin move. And we started with a twinkle and tunnel, going 1, 2, 3, and 4, bring it around. 1, 2, catch, 4, 5, catch, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Excellent. So the elements we talked about were twinkle, right, leads tunnel, bring her around, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 1, my hand is in front of my partner's shoulder, and I'm going to be stepping around my partner. I don't want to pull her back or change her direction. I want to do just enough of a stop to make sure that she's heading downstream. I come around with a 1, 2, 3. This is my leverage of my right hand on the back side of her shoulder. I roll her around on the 4, 5, 6. My right hand stays in contact that whole time, and I find my hand on her back. And now we're going into left turn mode. So doing that whole sequence again, we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 1, 2, stretch, and 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Great job, you guys. We'll see you here next week.